Hello, my name is Kevin with Thorn Pest Solutions, and today we want to discuss where many pest issues begin, the dumpster. So many times at our facilities, this is where it all begins because they're often tucked away and they have decaying food and spills and odors that emanate. If not properly cared for, dumpsters can be a huge attractant to foraging pests like rodents and flies. Today we want to discuss some proper management so we can prevent these pest issues. So what's the big deal if your dumpster is attractive to pests? Well, from the dumpster, it's just a hop, skip, and a jump to the nearest door and into your facility, and we don't want that to happen. So fortunately, there are some things that we can do to make a dumpster less attractive to pests. The first thing is just keep the dumpster closed. So we want to make sure that the dumpsters are serviced regularly, at least weekly, because we don't want garbage overflowing. And also along with that, we want to make sure that the dumpster is cleaned on the inside and outside. Make sure there's no crud and scum being built up on that. We also want the dumpsters placed as far away from the building as possible. 50 to 75 feet is ideal if we can make that happen. We want to keep the area around the dumpster free of debris, garbage, and dense vegetation. Now that's looking better. And you want to make sure all of the garbage is sealed up in garbage bags. There's also some things that Thorn can do to help dumpsters be less attractive to pests. We can place rodent bait stations around the dumpster area and treat nearby rodent burrows. To keep flies in check, fly baits can be applied nearby, and we can foam and treat the dumpster after trash pickup with biological cleaners that break down gunk and grease. Many times the actual birth of pest infestations is in the dumpster area. With a little bit of cleanliness and maintenance, we can drastically reduce pest attractants and keep them from moving indoors. We're here to help if you have any questions.